What made me originally interested in a WPNI program was my fascination with politics and policies. But the one thing that felt missing for me during that time there, even throughout my internships, was what does it actually mean to study politics and policies in the nation's capital? I didn't feel that I really got a good chance to explore how people of color contributed to policies and programs across the country. And that's really what I set out to do. I really wanted to study on the ground impact for people of color to do policy and politics. I loved that internship. I really loved interning there, and specifically with, formerly it was called Campus Progress. Now it's called Generation Progress, which is a subset of Center for American Progress. We had a briefing with Justice Clarence Thomas. We have very different political and legal opinions. However, I asked a very specific question to Justice Thomas about why doesn't he speak? Right? Because he doesn't ask questions during Supreme Court oral arguments. And his answer, even though I disagreed with it, was a very honest and authentic answer and really gave me an insight into who he was and how he actually lawyered. And I appreciated WPNI for that moment. Without that, it literally would not have happened. And so, I give so much credit and gratitude to WPNI for allowing us to even be able to ask those questions. WPNI wanted us to explore those things. They wanted us to challenge, people who we like and who we may dislike. They wanted us to dig deeper into political and judicial and other insights. And that was really possible during this program. So people who are interested in WPNI, I always say, don't think about this as a transactional relationship. Think about this as an authentic relationship that's symbiotic. You actually are understanding people, you're getting their business cards, you're meeting up with people, you're asking them for coffee or virtual coffee. Those are authentic relationships to build, and not transactional relationships where you're looking for how can they help you, but really, how do you build a collective relationship that's not rooted in transactions, but that's rooted in, genuine relationships and eventual friendships. The program really set me up for greatness. It set me up to understand what law school was going to be, but it shaped so much about who I am and so much about how I loved Kent State and for even offering this program. And so I will sing the praises of this program and recommend it to so many students because I think it's really important for many students to be a part of the program. We need more Black and Brown students. We need more queer and trans students. We need more students to enrich the experiences of Kent State and the program generally. I just know that's what I got out of it. And I just deeply hope I can continue to pour into people so they can get the same things.